Alright, now I'm going to show why people, blacksmiths, like leg vipers. Leg vipers, leg that goes all the way down to the ground. Obviously that's to absorb all the hammer energy that's coming from the hammer. I need to, well, I'll show you. She says it must be cheating because I turned up my phone. But that's the only freaking way she'll leave me alone. The trouble with girls is it's never enough. They love to complain and they never shut up. They like to tell you the way it ought to be. They want to tell the world but just don't tell me. The bitch came back. The very next day, oh, the bitch came back. She wasn't gone but the bitch came back. She couldn't stay away. Don't you know the bitch came back? Ain't it your twin say I wanna throw you out? Look who's laughing. So obviously if you do that on your workbench, you're going to either screw up your workbench, you're going to screw up that nice Wilton bullet vise you got. And the jaws aren't really meant for massive abuse. I need to just set that end. Setting is making it thicker in one specific area. I need to upset that end because I want to draw it out to have a larger place for my hand to grip. So that's what I did, and you'll see more of the results of that in a bit.